Thank you for purchasing our FRCM SBA course. In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate and how to use our website for this course. First thing is you need to open a browser. You can open any browser, but the advised or the preferred one is the Google Chrome. So here you can see I'll be opening the Google Chrome. Once you open the Google Chrome, in the address bar, you need to enter our website. Our website name is Dr. AA MRCM Courses, as you can see here. Then press enter. Once you press enter, you'll go to a home page of our website. In home page of our website, on the right upper corner, you can see there is my account. Click my account. Once you click my account, use the email address or the username which you are used for purchase and the password. So after entering both of these fields, then click login. Once you click login, it will enter into your course. It will show the number of courses what you have subscribed. As you have purchased only FRCM SBA September 2025, it will be showing only this course. It will not be showing any other courses. So click FRCM SBA September 2025. Once you click it, it goes to the course content. Here in the course content, what I want you to do first is click the join Telegram discussion group. I want all of you to join this Telegram discussion group so that you can discuss among yourself and consolidate the knowledge what you have gained. Before clicking this group link, what I want you to do is make sure the device what you're using has a Telegram app. You're logged in. You're logged in with the number which you are used in the website. Please make sure you are using the same number. Then click this group link button. It will redirect you to the Telegram app and send a request to us. Give us around 24 hours to accept it. So please have some patience. Give us 24 hours to accept it. Another thing what I want you to do is to this number on Telegram, send your name and registered number. Okay. And unhide your Telegram number. Do not hide your number, unhide it so that we can see your Telegram number and just smoothly just accept it, which will be done within 24 hours. Here on the left-hand side, you can see all the various topics which will be covered. This is basically built up on the MRCM course. Even the curriculum is similar. It is very much overlapping the MRCM. Additional topics which are specific for FRCM are given, which will be added at the end. You can see we have already added evidence-based medicine, and there are few more topics which we'll be adding over the time. So this what you can see in a sequential manner, I want you to go. First, start with X-rays and ECGs, then cardiology, resuscitation and allergies, then major trauma. I want you to go in that manner. So the videos will be given in a staggered manner. So over the time, we'll be giving you the videos. At present, we have the videos already uploaded till the major trauma. So it is a completely a pre-recorded course. So first one, we'll see how to navigate. I'll be just clicking just X-ray and ECG. Once you click it, it goes to this page. You can download the blueprint from here. Blueprint is an PDF file, which is similar to the slides which have been used to teach. This has plenty of gaps. I want you to go through the video, fill up these gaps and make your own notes. That is basically the blueprint. It is not the notes. Below the blueprint, you will find the video, and below that you will find the timestamp, the chapters which have been marked. If you just press your play button, it will start playing. What you can see here, you can pause and play from here. If you want the full screen, you click this, it goes into the full screen. In the full screen, you want to see the chapters or the timestamps, you can see here, and you can click, for example, hard block. It will directly go to the hard block. In that manner, you can easily navigate through the video. Next thing I want you to see here is the question bank. Question bank is nothing but quizzes. Quizzes are in two modes. One is revision mode, another one is test mode. It is just the mode which is different. The questions what are present in the revision and in the test are one and the same. First, we'll see what is revision mode. So I'll be clicking the revision mode here. Once I click the revision mode, start quiz, then you start. Here, there is no timer. So there's no timer. You can take your own sweet time, read the question, select one option, press check button. Once you press the check button, it will show the option what you have selected is correct or wrong. If it's correct or wrong, it will show the explanation. A brief explanation will be given here. Then press next button. It will go to the next question, select an option and press check button. It will show whether you have selected is the right answer or wrong answer. Here it says what you have selected is wrong. That's why it is in red. The correct answer is in green, and gives the brief explanation why is the correct answer so. Now I'll be clicking the test mode and see what's the difference. So I'll be clicking the test mode. As the name says, it's a test mode. So in the test mode, you will be having a timer. So it will give you an exam field. At the same point of time, once you select an answer and go to the next one, it will not show the answer. The answer will be shown only at the end. If you want to skip something, for example, second one you do not want to answer, you can skip it also. You can just press next button and you can go. You want to jump directly to some other question. For example, ninth one, you want to go and answer the ninth one, you can do it. At the end, you need to click quiz summary and finish quiz. Once you finish the quiz, it will show three options here. Either you want to restart, okay, or you want to view questions. View question, if you go, it will show which one is the correct one. First one was the correct one. Second one, till the ninth one, I have not chosen. Ninth one I have chosen, it will show I have chosen one is wrong. The correct one is this one. Why the correct one is right. Okay. In that manner, a small explanation will be given. So this is the difference between revision mode and the test mode. At the end, there will be a mock which will be appearing at the end here. So if I go back to the FRCEM SBA September 2025, if I click it, at the end, a mock exam will appear here. So we will be adding more chapters overcoming the time. So it will be in the staggered manner what you'll be getting the pre-recorded videos. Rest be assured that before a month of the date of your exam, all the videos will be available. Thank you.